drone flying over a lake, a guy playing guitar on a hill, a woman walking through a market. 3 videos, 0 software, just conversation. Every AI video tool right now has the same problem. You generate one shot, it looks decent. You generate the next shot. Different lighting, different face, different world, nothing connects. Google just shipped something at I/O 2026 that fixes this. It's called Omni, and it works fundamentally differently from every other AI video tool. You don't generate disconnected clips, you generate one video, then you edit it through conversation. Change the background, swap the outfit, add a dragon, transfer the style. Each instruction builds on the last. The AI remembers your scene. But stick around till the end, because the real stress test isn't the character edits. It's whether Omni can handle a full, multi-shot cinematic sequence with time-stamped camera movements, environment transitions, and continuous motion without falling apart. To test Omni's memory, we need a complex baseline. I'm giving it a hyper-detailed prompt. A guitarist sitting on sandstone rocks, wearing a blue button-up shirt and black jeans, playing an orange single-cutaway electric guitar into a black star. Baseline generation. Clean. Finger positioning on the frets looks believable. Camera framing locked. Environment detailed. But this is the easy part. Let's start the chain reaction. First challenge, environmental swap. I'm telling Omni to rip out the sandstone hilltop and drop our guitarist into a dark forest clearing next to a bright campfire. Watch his face, that dramatic orange light reflecting off his jawline, his shirt, the guitar body. The AI completely recalculated the light paths of the entire scene. I'm uploading reference images of a rock star outfit, leather jacket, ripped jeans, silver chains, and a dark electric guitar, telling Omni to swap everything on the subject while keeping the scene intact. This is wild. The body shape adjusts to fit the leather jacket structure. Jeans morph seamlessly, and look at his fingers, they wrap precisely around the neck of a brand new guitar without clipping into the wood. This is reference image input in action. You're not describing a vague outfit in text, you're showing the AI exactly what you want, and it's placing it on a moving subject mid-performance. So I found where it holds, now let's find where it snaps. I asked Omni to overlay dozens of small glowing fireflies navigating around the musician in 3D space. See that? Fireflies look completely fake. The model has no spatial awareness for microparticle systems. It treated the fireflies like a flat filter layered over a 2D sheet. Zero depth, zero interaction with the 3D scene. Final test. I kept all our stacked edits active, the electric guitar, fireflies, campfire, the camera trajectory, and told Omni to render everything into a Makoto Shinkai anime aesthetic. At this point, I genuinely want to know what you think about Omni. Is this actually useful, or does it still feel gimmicky? Drop your take in the comments before we push this thing even harder. All right, look at this. The environment, the light bounces, the clothing, the face structure. Everything smoothly transitions into crisp anime-style art while holding continuity from our very first prompt. Next one. Can Omni isolate one subject without destroying everything around her? First edit, wardrobe swap, different outfit, same walk, same crowd, same market. It didn't regenerate the scene, it edited the scene. Second edit, environment swap. California sunshine to neon rain. Same woman, same walk, different universe. The text on the signs, cocktails, live music, rendered in readable English. Omni's text rendering is surprisingly strong when you use simple words on large surfaces. Third edit, reference image input, a dress made entirely of real flowers, uploaded as a reference. The AI placed that exact design onto a moving subject mid-walk. 4 versions, 1 woman, 1 conversation thread, every edit stacked on memory. But here's where it broke. I asked Omni to move the camera to the front. It didn't move the camera, it turned the woman around. She's literally walking backwards. Omni is brutally literal. Describe the physics of the shot, not the intent. Final case. 5 camera movements in 10 seconds. The canyon, great. The river, great. The speed feels real, but the transitions between sections felt like cuts, not continuous flight. Cine 2.0 handles that better right now. But what happens after the first generation is where Omni wins. Night magma swap. Then a dragon designed to match the canyon, uploaded as a reference and placed directly into the moving scene. You're showing the AI a picture and saying, "Put this in my video." That's a capability that barely existed a few weeks ago. Verdict: Omni nails environment swaps, relighting, wardrobe changes, style transfers, reference image placement. The conversational memory is real. What breaks? Particle effects, camera shortcuts, smooth multi-shot transitions. This is no longer prompting. This is directing inside a persistent cloud memory. The question is this the future of video creation, or is it still missing something critical? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.